This is a guide to using the reference information in Nelson in the library catalogue to construct the reference you use at the end of your assignment. First, find your book or journal article in the library catalogue in Nelson, and then click on the source to open the full record. When you have the full record open, have a look in the Send To line until you find the icon for citation. Click on the citation and a box will open that contains the reference information that you need, and then click Copy the citation to clipboard to gather the information and take it to a Word document. Paste the information into a Word document as it is. At the moment, the details are presented in not quite the right way to meet our Harvard guide. Below you can see the Harvard format for an academic journal article like this one. There are some minor changes needed to make the reference correct in your assignment reference list. First, change the ampersand to the word and. Next, find the name of the journal and put it in italics and change the comma to a full stop. Next, find the volume number and put this in bold text. And finally, add PP before the first to last page numbers. When you've made these changes, your reference is correct. They do not need to be in red text, of course. For more detailed information about the range of sources that you use in all your assignments, find the full Harvard guidance at the Skills Hub.